Hey everyone, today we will be demonstrating the key functionalities of our order and inventory management system. Our demo will guide you through the essential features and processes, showcasing how the system helps manage orders and tracking inventory efficiency. So first, ensuring the application is up and running, we have to navigate to the registration page. Let's start by entering a unique username and a valid next and a valid password. And we will confirm the password and click the registration button. After submission, a confirmation message will appear saying registration successfully. Please log in. So next, specify the login functionality. So we'll make sure we have a valid credential ready for testing. So and now I'm entering the correct username and then password and clicking the login button. So upon submission, we should be redirect to the dashboard, and then next that's all for the registration and login functionality, and next for the inventory. Now we demonstrate to add new item to inventory our system. So I input the product name, then reception, quantity 50. 150. Oh yeah. Save all. Price 150, and then save all. Yes. See. So I can see it display the table details. And then again, next is for the edit edit for the edit action functionality. And then I type the edit product name. I change the quantity fields quantity 50 to 60. And then the price is I type to 200, and then update. So I can see the inventory table has been updated to reflect the changes. Next, for the edit button, let's select the nails, product name nails, and click the button, delete button. So a confirmation model appears confirmation the delete action by clicking yes. So that's all for the inventory management. And then next for the transaction.
And then okay, so for the transactions page, as you can see, there is a table for the transactions that has been already made. So right now, let's put into this. Let's try to create any transaction. Then I would insert a product. There's a roll down, and let's say there would be a garden hose. I would choose garden hose, and I would like to. There's someone to buy some 20 meters. Then
Ano,
I
off
will
cam ka lang.
take it out. Then, as you can see, the new transaction has been placed in the table. So, um, and the next we will also try to work the delivery button as its function. Then, if for example, there's any transaction with the same data I have placed, is then, and I will try to click to deliver. So, as you can see, the system requires a customer name. So, for example, I will try to enter a Vilma, and then our contact number, for example, a random number, and then her address would be Baluarte Tagol 1. I'll try to generate the receipt. Then the system automatically provides us a receipt of the delivery information. Next is about review button. As you can see, the last transaction that I have made is totally unpaid. So I will try to make it paid because, for example, the client or the customer has already received the deliveries. I'll click review. Then I'll try to open the roll down and then click paid. Then close. And the next is the transaction. Wait, the payment options. Di na? Okay. Lastly is the delete button on. If I try to click this delete button here, the transaction will be automatically deleted from the system. And that will be all for the transaction page.
Ako yung next ba? Oh, ako yung
Oh,
next
ikaw na.
report. Okay, let's. Today, we will demonstrate the key functionalities of our reporting module. This includes input validation, report type selection, report generation, data accuracy, and overall usability. Let's start with the input validation. As you can see, a generate report, there's a report type. So we choose inventory report. Then let's input start date and the end date. Then generate report. As you can see, the inventory report. Um, Next, let's try to print the report. And as you can see, there's already generated reports. Then next, and for the reports page, it it shows that this demonstration showcase our system's robust reporting features, including input variations, accurate data handling, and user-friendly interfaces. And that's all for the report page.
First, I will click the sidebar icon to open the sidebar menu. This shall display the navigation options including dashboard, transaction, inventory, and reports. Now I'll click the dashboard link. As you can see, I am now on the dashboard page and the content loads as expected. Next, I will click on the transaction link. As expected, the transaction page loads correctly and all the content is displayed properly. Let's click on inventory link. We should be navigate the inventory page. The page content is displayed without issue confirming that link is working correctly. Finally, I will click the reports. As you can see, we are now on reports page and the content appears correct. All pages as expected with new issue. The sidebar navigation functionality has been successfully tested All names are correctly navigating to their respective page, and the sidebar remains responsive throughout the user's journey.
For the info the dashboard, in low stock section, we can see the products that running low on the stock. Products with stock level below the product name, category, and remaining stock 10 pieces are in yellow. And then for the total sales, so that we can see the total sales in summary and the number of the transaction. So this dashboard should display the correct total sales and the transaction count for today. So and then for the um, logout button. So I click the logout button, and then when I clicking the button, log out to the redirects to the login page. And then that's it for our functionality test for our order and inventory management system.